I've been a tennis player when I was young, and I had to stop playing because I got a tennis elbow. So I haven't played tennis for almost 15 years or so. And one day I was watching this on my Instagram feed. I saw a video where pickleball was being played inside the stock exchange building. It was an indoor game. So I was like, why stock exchange building? There has to be something. And intuitively, I just feel that this game is going to be adopted by a lot of people across the world because it's a fairly easy game to learn compared to tennis or badminton. It's a far easier game to learn. But if you want to become a professional, then it's as hard as any other game. So the adoption of this game is going to be very, very easy and across everybody. Plus, it's a community game. There's no gender gap, and there's no, I mean, a 15-year-old can play with an 80-year-old, and you can still have fun. But in tennis, it's very difficult. If your levels are not similar, you're not going to enjoy the game. So different age groups can play together. Secondly, the cost of making pickleball courts are very low. You can make 4 pickleball courts in the space of 1 tennis court. So what is happening across the world is a lot of universities, college, clubs are changing the infrastructure. Let's say they have 4 tennis courts, they are giving up 1 tennis court and creating 4 pickleball courts because their revenues and earnings go up immediately. So that's why, I mean, there have been a lot of quotes by famous tennis players that tennis is under threat because slowly many of the tennis courts will get converted into pickle. And another reason is when a lot of people, professional tennis players, squash players, badminton players, TT players retire, they take on to pickle. So it's not, people might think it's only a young people's sport. No, it's for the old as well as young. And that's a huge advantage. There's not a single sport where the old people who are retiring also play and young people who are coming to the game also.
So what would be an advice you would give to someone who want to transition to pickleball, let's say from badminton to table tennis? How would you woo them to the sport?
Well, they have to go and practice, they have to try it, and they will realize that it's very, very addictive compared to other sports. So, I mean, it's so much fun and it's much, much easier than anything else. So if you're a tennis player or badminton player, you'll get it very soon. You'll learn the game very fast.
How do you think pickleball can reach that, or what would be a time duration it would take for pickleball to reach that level? Because cricket is the biggest thing when it comes to sports in this country.
Right. So I think, India is obsessed with cricket and we need to promote other sports as well. And I think the second most popular sport, if I'm not wrong, is badminton. Is that correct? Yeah. So I feel that my goal is to make pickleball overtake badminton. I'm not looking at cricket at this moment. It should become the most popular racket sports. That's the mission.